I tell someone who's considering doing business with MacroFab? Well, there's 2 points to that. First of all, from a customer standpoint, an OEM, I've actually referred prospects that I've engaged with to MacroFab directly as opposed to engaging them with them outside of the platform. There's a tremendous benefit to the OEM customer, utilizing MacroFab's platform because they can track it from the beginning to the end. That's something that you don't typically see at a regular contract manufacturer. Usually you're having to call whoever your contact is. Hey, where's my job at? What's the status? MacroFab takes that away with a lot of their dashboard and also their added layers of interaction with the customer. For a partner, the process to become a partner is challenging. It's very rigorous interview, if you will, making sure the quality, the equipment the partner has is sufficient for MacroFab. But the benefits to a company partner doing business with MacroFab, I would call them very impactful because the business model that MacroFab has created and has successfully executed on, the cloud manufacturing model, is really, I think, the way a lot of companies are going to start adopting so far as OEMs. I think it'd be very difficult for a competitor to create that. But from an OEM standpoint that's looking for a contract manufacturer, it makes a lot of sense at this point in time. And so I really think that is going to grow and become much more widely accepted.